Now I'm sure by now that you've heard of YESWELDER's First's DP200, which is a dual pulse MIG welder capable of welding aluminum, stainless, cast, and many other applications. Hey, this right here's got a massive sale. Normally on the retail, and this right here, you're talking about $700. But with Black Friday, the coupons on top of the deals, you're talking anywhere from $475 up to about $500 for it. But this is a banger and it's a powerhouse right here. And one thing that I really love about it is fully upgradable software with that. So as the new systems come out, all you got to do is plug into the USB-C and you now have updated your software on that. But this right here is an all digital dual pulse MIG welder. So if you look at the display on this, you can see the details of how precise this is. So no matter if you're just starting out or you're a full-on professional welder, this is going to take care of both. So what you're looking at is all digital, be able to change between what type of material that you're welding, stainless, aluminum, steel, so forth. Change your gas, your wire size, and that can be from a .024 up to a .045. Heavy duty right there. But then you get into your wire thickness, and that can depend on if you're running dual voltage, you know, as a 110 or a 220 setup on how thick that you're going to go to. But we're talking across the board 1/4 inch. This thing is a banger. And when it comes to the 2T or 4T, you also have the option for spot and more. But you're talking 50 different memory settings on this. And to be able to move over here to the option of how to run your gun, you can run the MIG gun or you can run the spool gun right here at the selector. Now you got your gas check. You can run the single pulse, dual pulse, or pulse completely off. But one thing that I really like about it is the advanced settings on it for your pre-flow, your post-flow, burn back, inductance, and more. But the help section, so no matter if you're just starting out, but you're wanting one that you don't have to worry about, you know, buying twice, hey, this is it. So you've even got your onboard instructions manual on the screen here. So you can see how it's set up here. And as you change between, it'll show you that you can change and how to run your spool gun and TIG and so forth. But this is a fully capable welder here. And as you notice, the fan only kicked on as needed. So the fans run continuous, but this only kicks on as needed. But this is a powerhouse, I'm saying right here. And the other thing is that you have the option to run a synergic MIG. So when you change the settings, it'll adjust the wire speed and the voltage to your amperage with that. So the good thing about this right here is fully capable of a welder. So you can run the foot pedal on the 5-pin setup. You can run the spool gun on the 2-pin setup, and you can run that with the actual welder, as far as the torch itself. So you'll basically have everything that you need to get started, other than your consumables and your gas. But to be able to run 100% aluminum, to run stainless, steel, flux, stick. This does it all right here. So right now, again, with a banger sale right now, normally around $700 for this, but with Black Friday's specials, deals, and coupons on top of each other, hey, check it out, add it to your cart, think about it, but check back before Cyber Monday ends, because this is a banger right here. And this is my favorite welder of all my welders. But the DP200, which is YESWELDER's First's dual pulse MIG welder here. So if you want to find more details on it, check it out at the link down below.